Welcome to Katylinks, your Odoo learning channel. I'm Melissa, and in this video, we'll learn how to use margin-based pricing in Odoo 19 so you can automatically calculate your selling price based on your product cost and desired profit margin. What is margin-based pricing? Margin-based pricing allows you to define your profit margin, for example, 20%, and have Odoo automatically calculate the selling price for each product. Instead of manually entering selling prices, Odoo does the math, helping you maintain consistency and control over profitability. Why use it? Because it saves time, ensures every product meets your profit goals, and makes it easy to adjust prices when costs change. For example, if your supplier increases a product's cost, Odoo can automatically update your sales price to maintain your margin. Who should use it? Businesses that regularly adjust pricing, such as wholesalers, manufacturers, and resellers, or anyone managing large product catalogs with varying costs. Where is it configured? Inside the Sales Settings section and within the Price List configuration. When should you use it? Use it when you want to automate pricing rules, protect your margins, or link sales price updates directly to product cost changes. How will we do it? We'll enable margin-based pricing, set up a formula in the price list, apply it to products, test how Odoo calculates the new selling price. Let's begin. Enable price lists and margins go to Sales Settings. Under the Pricing section, make sure both price lists and margins on sales orders are enabled. Click Save. This ensures Odoo can calculate margins dynamically and display profit on quotes. Step 2. Create a price list based on margin. Go to Sales Products Price Lists, click Create. Name your price list, for example, Dealer Margin Pricing. Under Price Rules, click Add a line. In the Rule window, apply on, select all products or specific product categories. Computation, choose Formula. Based on, select Cost. Margin, enter your target margin percentage, e.g. 20%. Odoo will now automatically compute the selling price as selling price equals cost plus cost times margin percent. Example, if cost equals $100 and margin equals 20%, Odoo sets the selling price to $120. Click Save. Step 3. Assign the price list to a customer or sale. Go to Sales Customers and open a customer record. Under the Sales and Purchase tab, select your dealer margin price list. Now, when you create a quotation for that customer, Odoo will automatically apply the margin rule to compute selling prices. Step 4. Test the pricing rule. Open Sales Quotations, create. Select the customer with your new price list. Add a product. Odoo immediately calculates the selling price using the cost plus margin formula. You can check this under the product cost field, if visible, to see the margin difference. If the cost updates in the future, the selling price will also adjust automatically. Step 5. Adjust or stack rules for multiple margins. If you sell to different customer types, like retail, dealer, and distributor, you can create multiple price lists, each with its own margin percentage. Odoo automatically applies the right one based on the assigned price list in the customer record or sales channel.
And that's how you set up and use margin-based pricing in Odoo 19. Let's recap. Enabled price lists and margin features, created a price list with cost plus formula, applied it to customers, verified automatic price calculation, built flexibility for different customer groups. Margin-based pricing helps your business stay profitable, consistent, and automated. No manual recalculations, no guesswork. If you'd like help configuring advanced pricing, integrating cost-based rules, or setting up multi-tiered dealer pricing in Odoo, visit Katylinks.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Odoo 19 tutorials, including inventory, manufacturing, accounting, and AI reports. See you in the next lesson.